Good morning! Welcome back to our phonics class.
It is a backpack, it is a backpack, it is a notebook, it is a notebook, it is a book, it is a book. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, school. It is a scissors, it is a scissors, it is a ruler, it is a ruler, it is a glue, it is a glue. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, school. It is a blackboard, it is a blackboard. It's a eraser, it's a eraser. It is a pen, it is a pen. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, school. It is a chair, it is a chair. It's a pencil case, it's a pencil case. It is a desk, it is a desk. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, school.
Good morning, grade 2 students. Once again, welcome back to our phonics class. So this time we are going to proceed on Unit 2, Short Vowel Sounds. But before we go to our lesson, let's have first our vocabularies.
Ag,
ag, bag, bag.
ag, bag, bag.
Ag, wag, wag.
Ag, wag, wag.
Ag, tag, tag.
Ag, tag, tag.
Ag, rag, rag.
Ag, rag, rag.
Bag, wag, tag, rag.
Bag, wag, tag, rag. And
and man, man.
and man, man.
And can, can.
And can, can.
And van, van.
And van, van.
And fan, fan.
And fan, fan.
Man, can, van, fan.
Man, can, van, van. At,
at, bat, bat.
at, bat, bat.
At, rat, rat.
At, rat, rat.
At, mat, mat.
At, mat, mat.
At, fat, fat.
At, fat, fat.
Bat, rat, mat, fat.
Bat, rat, mat, fat. Unit 2. Ag, an, at.
New sounds.
Listen, point, and repeat. A, g, ag. A, t, ag. A, n, an. A, n, an. At, at. At, at.
Let's chant.
Listen, point and repeat. A, g, ag.
A, g, ag.
A, n, and.
A, n, and.
A, t, at.
A, t, at.
Ag, and, at.
Ag, and, at.
Listen, point, and repeat. Number 1. B, ag, bag. Bag.
B, ag, bag. Bag.
Number 2. M, an, man. Man.
M, an, man. Man.
Number 3. B, at, bat. Bat.
B, at, bat. Bat.
Let's chant.
Listen, point, and repeat. B, ag, bag. Bag.
B, ag, bag. Bag.
M, and man. Man.
M, and man. Man.
B, at, bat. Bat.
B, at, bat. Bat.
Bag, man, bat.
Bag, man, bat.
Now let's have our activity. So say and write the words. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for this activity. So you need to read the words, and then after that, on the right side, here on this space, you are going to write the words. So for example, number 1, I'll give you number 1. V, an, van. V, an, van. And then after that, you are going to write V-A-N or van on this space. So that's what you are going to do on number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay?
It is a backpack, it is a backpack, it is a notebook, it is a notebook, it is a book, it is a book. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, S-C-H-O-O-L. It is a scissors, it is a scissors, it is a ruler, it is a ruler, it is a glue, it is a glue. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, S-C-H-O-O-L. is a blackboard. It is a blackboard. It's a eraser. It's a eraser. It is a pen. Pen. It is a pen. Pen. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, school. It is a chair. Chair. It is a chair. Chair. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case. It is a desk. Desk. It is a desk. Desk. Now it's time to go to school. Hey, school. Bye everybody. See you next time. If you like video, write down comments. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.
So that's all for today. See you again next time. Goodbye.